What's happening, guys? Coming at you once again from Down4soundshop.com, and in this video we're going to be going over some new wireless earbuds that we came out with from Down4sound. But first,
wanna feel the heat. Wanna feel the heat, yeah. Wanna feel the heat.
alright, let's get into these. Again, we have two different types of people. Some people like in-ear earbuds and some people like over-the-ear headphones. Me personally, well, I think I'm like in the middle. Probably more on the in-ears, but I like over-the-ears for certain applications, such as being on an airplane, putting them over your ears. You got a squealing kid in the background, it's going to deaden it out a lot. So we have two different models that we came out with. Over here you have the Down4sound BassBudz PRO1s. And we have the budget-friendly, or more budget-friendly BassBudz BB1s on this side. So the main difference between these two sets of earbuds is this one has active noise canceling. It's going to give you a nicer, deeper bass. You're going to be able to really tune into what you're listening to and enjoy it even more. You're looking for a more budget-friendly, something that you're not going to stress out over a lot. If you end up losing one, or your kid loses one, or whatever ends up happening, you'll be okay, because these come in at 44 bucks for this model, and this one is $79.99. We're going to unbox both of them and show you the features of each, or we'll give you a brief overview anyway. So first ones we're going to unbox is going to be the BassBudz BB1 right here. Comes in a cool carrying case, and this spot right here is going to have your charge cable and your extra ear gels, so that will make it where you can change the size. If your ear hole is different than the medium that comes on there, you can change it out. So it comes, again, it comes in this handy dandy carrying case and charging case. So what you would do is you would put the earbuds in here like this, and you would shut it and you would plug it in to your wall. So it charges up the earbuds and the case. So if you end up like going out and you're away from an electrical outlet for a little while and they end up going dead, no problem. Pop them in the case and they start charging again simply from being in your pocket, or as long as they're in here and it's shut, they start charging again. So this model right here, again, Budget Banger Buds. Playtime 10 hours. We got a little star beside that because it depends on how hard you're playing them, how much life you're going to get out of them. Bluetooth 5.0, no hollow sound, just great sounding earbuds. Works with most modern Bluetooth ready devices. So this is going to give you, again, an awesome sound at a more budget friendly price on these. And you would take this out. And when you open this, it starts making these ready to pair with your device. So what I would recommend doing is turning on your Bluetooth mode on your phone before you even open the case. So that way when you turn it on and this thing starts emitting the signal to pair, your device will already be looking for it. So it'll pop up on your device, and obviously you click the BassBudz BB1s, and then you take them out, pop them in your ear, like so. So this is the BassBudz BB1, and obviously you'd put the right one in and you'd be off and jamming. This has wireless touch controls as well. It's like, so you can, and all those details are in the online manual, where you can, if you touch it once, it pauses it, touch it again, it plays. You can double tap it. Like they have all those functions that's going to make it where you can control them just by tapping on your earbud. So we're going to move over to the BassBudz PRO1s that you see right here. These are the ones, I love these. I use these every day. If I'm not using the over-the-ears, I use these every day when I'm walking. They've been doing awesome. Alright, so we have the case here. So again, you would want to turn on your Bluetooth, and as soon as you open this, you see the lights come on. That's going to give you your battery charge, and you would pop these out. I'm upside down, so okay, this is the left, I believe. Okay, I just heard it made a beep that is searching for signal, So anyway, this is going to be your BassBudz Pros. It's going to give you the active noise canceling option on there. And also, show you on the back right here. Premium audio quality. These are going to give you the nice, deeper sounding bass. You got your active noise canceling. ENC microphone for clear audio calls, so you can place audio calls on here and talk through it no problem. Bluetooth 5.0, the nicest Bluetooth you could get. Transparency mode, 500 milliamp battery, so it's going to give you a lot of time that you can listen to these. And again, to charge these, if you run them down, you just pop them back in the case and close it, and it'll start charging them. Then you can pop them back in your ears after a little bit. Wireless charging case right here. Touch sensitivity controls, so you can, again, the same with the other ones, you can figure out all these functions by going to the owner's manual on the website, and it'll tell you how to control the earbuds by tapping on them once or twice, and it'll show you how to do all that. It also comes with your extra ear gels in here and your charge cable. These come in at 79 bucks. And I believe you are going to love them. Again, I use those every day, but I don't want you to take my word for it. I want you to listen to other people's reviews of us letting them listen to the two different BassBudz. So
these headphones are real good for me to warm up in. While I was stretching before my game, I was able to put them in. I couldn't hear any noises. I was able to focus on my performance. Great headphones. They stayed in my ears so well, I even noticed I even had them on. This cancellation was real great. Like I said, I had them on, didn't even know I had them in. Felt real good in my workout. Was able to lean left, lean right, and they didn't come out. I recommend these headphones for anybody who's working out, any day-to-day lifestyle, especially if you're active. These are some great headphones to use.
And 44 bucks, 79 bucks. So still, I think they're both budget friendly, but if you're looking to save a little bit, you can go with these. Anyway, grab them in the description below. You'll see the links there. All right, check it out. What's happening, guys? If y'all enjoyed all the hot content that you saw in that video, be sure to follow me on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram under the Lifer Price, and also Down4sound Shop on Facebook and Instagram, and don't forget Snapchat. I'm JPD4S on there, so be sure to check me out there. We'll see you in the next one. Later.